If a doctor turned your injury into a life sentence, you don't have a medical issue, you have a case. If you're in an accident, have surgery, and now you're in pain that won't stop, you might have CRPS. And you might be entitled to a settlement that changes your life. CRPS stands for Complex Regional Pain Syndrome. It is one of the most devastating diagnoses personal injury client might receive. It happens when there's nerve damage from trauma, usually after a serious injury, surgery, or a poor medical procedure. The nerves don't heal correctly. They fire constantly, and the patient is left with a pain that the medical community describes as one of the worst in mankind history. Athletes get it, people in car wrecks get it, workers who get hurt on the job get it. They call it the fire injury because patients describe it as third-degree burns under their skin all day with no relief. That is why the medical recommendations include opioids and ketamine. Drugs that powerful are not used for ordinary pain management. They are used because nothing else touches what these patients are dealing with. Imagine being in pain so severe that the medical answer is to stun your nervous system, just to give you a few hours of relief. Now, imagine the reality of living with that for 40 years. You can't work the same job. You can't sleep through the night. You need ongoing treatment and medication, specialists, sometimes spinal cord stimulators or implanted nerve blockers. The lifetime cost of CRPS care can easily run into 7 figures. That is what we fight for in these cases. Not pocket change, real financial security to match a life sentence the patient never asked for. If a doctor turned your injury into a life sentence, you don't have a medical issue, you have a case. CRPS diagnosis? Call me or DM me now.